Can I get ITVX on Sony Smart TV? ITVX is available on most Sony Smart TVs, but compatibility depends on the model and operating system. Sony TVs running Android TV or Google TV support the ITVX app, while older models may require an external streaming device or alternative methods to access ITVX. 1. Checking if your Sony Smart TV supports ITVX. Sony Smart TVs that run Android TV or Google TV have access to the Google Play Store, where you can download ITVX. To check if your TV is compatible, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Google Play Store or Apps section. Search for ITVX in the App Store. If ITVX appears, your TV supports it. If not, you will need another method to watch ITVX. 2. Installing ITVX on a Sony Smart TV. If your Sony Smart TV supports ITVX, follow these steps to install it. Press the Home button on your remote. Open the Google Play Store for Android TV or the Apps section for Google TV. Use the search bar to find ITVX. Select the app and click Install. Open the app, sign in if required, and start watching ITVX content. 3. Using an external streaming device for ITVX. If ITVX is not available on your Sony Smart TV, you can use an external streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Simply connect the device to your TV, install the ITVX app, and log in to start streaming. 4th, casting ITVX from a mobile device. If your Sony Smart TV does not support ITVX directly, you can cast or screen mirror from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Make sure your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, open the ITVX app on your phone. Tap the cast icon for Chromecast or use screen mirroring for Android devices. Select your Sony TV and the content will play on your screen. If your Sony Smart TV is compatible, you can install and stream ITVX directly. If not, using an external device or casting option allows you to watch ITVX on your TV. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can access ITVX with ease.